A transfer of devices on the NLIS database may be edited or removed through a transfer correction. The transfer correction allows you to replace incorrect data with correct data, or remove devices from a transfer. Let's find out how to. Once logged into the database, select the species you'll be working with today, and then scroll to the Notify the Database of section and select Transfer Correction. Click Go. There are three options for you to correct the transfer. You can edit the details of one or all devices, delete one or more devices and place them back onto the source pick, or roll back the transfer and place all devices onto the source pick. Select what you want to do from the drop-down menu, enter the upload ID of the transfer, and click Continue. From the list of devices included in your transfer, you can edit one at a time by clicking Edit Item. You can also check the boxes or click Select All, then Edit Select Items to edit the transfers all at once. Enter in the correct information and click Submit. If you choose to remove devices from the upload, you can check the boxes or click Select All. Click Continue. Take note, you can only correct a transfer once. So before you send any changes to the database, check and confirm the details carefully. To submit the information to the database, click Send. You will receive a confirmation message on screen with an upload ID. To ensure the transfer correction of each tag ID has been conducted, ensure the status is marked with Success. That's it. You've just corrected a transfer of devices on the NLIS database. By keeping your records up to date, you help to ensure the strength of Australia's red meat integrity system, so our industry can stand by what it sells. For more how-to guides, visit www.integritysystems.com.au.